Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make this attractive registration form and login form. So you have got to go to the login. Okay, you will be able to see the login form. So very simple. So this is very important stuff when you are doing the projects. Okay, this is very important stuff, right? So let me see how to make this login form and registration form using HTML. Okay, so simply I am going to go to my G drive. I'm going to make some one project HTML project HTML. Just give the HTML. So here just open up our VS Code editor, code space dot. Right. So here I'm going to first I'm going to need a page which is a index dot registration dot. Let's do it as a HTML. Okay, if you want a PHP, you have to convert as a PHP everything. Okay, so I just this one I'm going to change that. So everything in HTML. So, sorry, this is not a file. This is not a folder, it's a file. Okay, right. So I'm going to get the file set login.html. Right. Now you can see this is a registration form and login form. First, I'm going to do the registration form. In VS Code editor, you have to hold down the control key down and press one key. Okay, select here. Hold on the shift key down and press one key. Hold on the shift key down and press one key. You can get this mark. Here you can automatically import your HTML. So after that, what you're going to do is you have to go to your folder here. You have to implement the Bootst. Okay, then you have to install the import the Bootstrap in your project. Okay, so how to import the Bootstrap? Go to the respective website. So Bootstrap 5. This is the new version. We have to get the newest version. Okay, this is the update version you are getting. Okay, rather than getting the previous versions. Okay, I'm always getting the updated version only. So go over here. You have to copy this one. This here the style. You have to go and import it over here. Okay. So after that, you have a JS bundle. This also you have just copy it. You have to put into your body. This is the things you have to must. Okay, this is you can guess the location you have CSS you have put inside the tag. Script you have to put inside the body tag. Keep in your mind while you work with this. This is very important stuff, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the design. So first I'm going to go to make the design. So first what you're going to do is first you have to make the div container. Div container. This one should be the content class container. Okay, this is a container. This one container. Okay, it's a container. So here you can see it's a container. So console here. Let's go to the registration page. This is the only one container is there. So this only one container. So this one container inside the container. These are the one items. So it makes a one container. So here we have to in Bootstrap we have separated div class only one container. We're not doing anything else. We don't need the row. You have to your size. I'm going to put the size call MD. Let's do it as 6. It's enough. Rather than getting a full size, 6 is enough. That's the thing you have to do it. Right? That's a simple stuff you have to do it. Okay. After that, we need a simple form. So form also you have to go to the Bootstrap, find out the form. Here the form, overview, controller. So this is simple form. You just copy this email text area. This is the sample form design. You have to paste on it. Right. So I want to make the modification label. This is the email. Okay, email. This one an email. This one should be our email. Nothing we need it for a mobile and password confirm password. Okay. So after that mobile. mobile. This one should put it here, paste on it here. So this one should be the text. This is the mobile. So mobile, right? So mobile. How do you just copy this, paste on it below? This one should be our password field, text field be password. So the same thing, just copy it, paste on it below. This is the confirm password. Confirm password. So here you have to name it. For the name attribute, you are declaring name equal. First one should be the email. Second attribute should be the mobile. Third attribute should be the password. Fourth one should be the confirm. You just name it as confirm. Confirm. Pass. That's it. Control S to save. The placeholder, you write password, you copy and paste it. This one should be the confirm password. You just copy and paste it over here. That's the thing you do it. Simple form. Now let's file save all. Now if you are not installed the live server in your extension, by checking your live HTML files, so live server, you have to install the live server already installed. You have to install them. After that, you have to click go live. Now you have to go to the live. Here the live. So I haven't put it to the buttons, so I have to import the buttons as well. I haven't imported the buttons. So layout, you need a buttons, so you have to import the button. So here is a button. So get the button. So you have to get where's the button. Okay, so there's a button here. Submit button. So there's a button also. You need the buttons. But get the button as well. So button also we have to write it here. Here. Here div. This div. This div. Okay. Submit button. Sign in button. Okay. Here write login. Sign in. Login. Register. Register. There are two buttons. Okay, I just put it the login and registration. Okay, so this one should be, you have to say primary warning. Control S to save. Let's show here. Sorry. Register, reset. Control S to save. Now bring back to our design. Here it's coming. Now I'm going to go to implement the card section. So this is design is okay with them. I'm going to implement a card section. So like the card, how the card look like. So how to implement a card? You have to write it over here. It's a card. So you have to write card bootstrap. Simply your card bootstrap 5. We have to make it as bootstrap 5. Card is created according to the bootstrap 5 form. Okay. So here we have to see all the things. So here this is a card section. So how to card is section. Okay, so now what you're going to saw class card, class body, class title, class text. These are the things you have to write it. Okay, so now what you're going to see here, I'm going to write it over here. You have to import the card. So card, where I'm going to import it in here, this is the card. This is a form design. This is a form design, so I have to put it at the form tag. So I haven't put it at form tag yet, so I'm going to put the form tag. So before that you have to write card. So div class. This is a predefined class of Bootstrap. This is started. Control X to save. Part of this close tag. You have to paste this after this button div tag. When you start, when you have to make sure the closing tag also. Well, here class header. div class card header. Your type card header. Your starting position is closing position card header. After that, third one is this is a body part. It's a card body. But get this one card body. Card body. Starting here. Starting body. You got to closing that over here. Right. That's it. That's the thing you have to write. Okay. Class header. You have to write registration. Now let's check all. Here it's working. Here it's simply it's working. Card header. It's simply card. Now here this is the card. It's simple. Right now we haven't styled anything else. We didn't style anything else. Okay. Now let's do the blank design here. Right. Now let's make the designing part. Okay, let's make the designing part. Okay, so before that we have to implement the form. This is the form. We have to write the form. Form is closes starter tag over here. Closes after the password button section. Right. Now let's make the designing part. Okay, now we'll make the designing part. Right. So how to make the design? Let's go to the designing part. Right. So now I'm going to go to this one. I will teach you simple CSS style. Okay. You can see simple CSS styles I wrote it for the container. This container means this is the container class. Okay, this container. So this container is defaultly coming like this. This is all the container. I am going to style it. So how the style it work? Dot container. You write the styling dot container. If you write like this, you have to apply the style closing. This is a custom CSS. Okay, this container. I'm going to first using the display flags. I'm using the flags box. This is the advanced CSS style for the flags box. We have the direction. We have to call it as column. Align center, justify center mean this form should be appear on the window as a center screen. Okay, so that's why we have to call these two properties. Alignment center, align center, justify content center, aligned item center, justify item contents. Okay, right? That's the thing we have to do it. Right? So here you have to put lights here. That's my form. I haven't saved all. Now let's bring back to the application here. This one we have to save it so that here it's coming look like this way. Okay, here simple it's coming like this way. Okay, very simple here, very attractive look. Okay, so here what I did here is after that class and card adder mean here a card adder CSS class. This class is a blank design. We have to do it. This design defaultly come as a light color. So instead of that, we have to make it as a black color. Yes, custom styles. I need it is defaultly come as a lowercase. I want to change it as uppercase. You have to write the property which is text transform to write as a uppercase letter. Okay. Okay, you have a simple, you have to make it as a capital. You have to using this property which is called as text transform. Okay, it will be convert your simple letter to capital. Okay, so after that you have the bold. Default it is not, it is a regular font. If you have give the font weight as a bold, it's become as a bold. Font has been changed as a bold. The default size also there's 12 like this styles will be coming. I want to change it as this one as a 24. Right. So after that, if it is a background color as black, we cannot see the font. Font also become black. So the font color we have to change it as white. Then only we will be it is visible. So let's see. It's visible. Okay. This everything we have to do it. Simple. Very simple. Okay. Okay, if you are a full stack developer, you have to know about this CSS style, the custom CSS style, how the works, how the CSS styles works. Okay, that's why I bring this tutorial. Very simple. Okay, so here after this label means this is a label. These are the labels. These are one label, second label, third label, and fourth label, right? So what would I do it here? Labels. Okay, labels. What I did here is, so here label. This labels. I'm going to go to do the thing is this label. First one is a label. First label, second label, third label, fourth. There's a four label consist of. I normally type label. It is your type label. Label, you write font weight bold. It also uppercase. So it will be become this label as bold. Why it's only one bold? The things are not bold. Okay, the problem is here. This one here. I put into this one. That's why it's not bold. Control save. Now let's bring back to the application here. It's everything bold. Okay. Now what I want the style we have given here. Font weight bold uppercase transform uppercase. So it will be become a along with the bold. The letter would have changed as a uppercase letter. Right. After that form div plus div. What's that form div plus div? So in between the forms we have to give the spaces. We have to write the top padding top 20 in between. If you are increase the size, you can see here the 50 you will be would have said what happened here. There are lot of spaces. Okay, so in between the two divs. So this div mean this div. So I want to put the space after the image. So we have one div here. This div only the here you can put it here. What happened? You can see there are here also the space. Everything space. It would have fine, but I need two divs. Out that you can see here there are no spaces between here. So if you want to do it this one, I don't need them. You'll get rid of this. We need a space registration. Okay, that should be the space. So what I want the space we are doing the padding. I already talk what is a padding. It is okay. Padding means this is a container. This is a container, full size content. This content inside here, it's coming here. You have to give the padding alignment. So you have to give the 20 space. So it will be take care of it. So top mean top. Okay, we need a top padding. Right. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the button. So button btn. So you have to write the style btn dot btn. So you have btn style btn. Sorry, this is not button. This is a button. Your type is btn. Button btn. So btn. So you have this button. You have right not input. This is a button. It's a button. What you can do right here now? We can see here. What would be there? Here's a space between them. Okay, so that's why you have to write this button. So margin left. You have to write take care of the spaces. In with these two letters, we need a spaces. Okay, so you have to write the register reset. Control save. Bring up the application here. It's attractive register page. This is how you make attractive register page in your program, in your project. Okay, now I successfully made the registration page successfully. I want to make the login page. So how to make the login page? This title also you have to page it as register. The same register page I just control C to copy, paste on here login. Sorry, control C to control A to select all, control C to copy, control V to paste the login. Here only we have to do it. After this one login, email. I need a password only. Confirm password or get rid of this one. This one's a login. That's it. That's the thing you have to do it. Or email and login. Okay, so this is only the field we have to be made to change it. So now what you are going to say, another thing you have to do it has a login purpose. You have need a another important stuff is you have to this thing height. You have to write justify container height. You have to make it as 100 See, it will be take it. I want to display that this form login form at it is a center screen. So you have to login HTML here at the center. Okay, if you are not put into this one, it's not coming to at the center. It's coming here. Right, the login form also you make the center. This one you can, this attribute if you use it as a login form as well, it also be center. The login, then now it's register this station. Here it has been center. You can see here it's a registration and login. If you want, you can make it as center. We have things why it's not coming center now. I want to save up. Okay, this is your wish. Okay, if I want to reduce the size of the login page, this is little bit size. I give you 5, simple login form 5. You can see here take care of 5 here. It's a simple one. Okay, simply you have to make this login form using HTML CSS. Okay, I hope you guys will understood things well. Okay, this is all the source code I provided. Thank you for watching.